Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a step to your tasks you create and organize on Microsoft To Do in your to-do list. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your tasks section in Microsoft To Do and click into the given task you would like to go with. I will go with this example task here, for instance. Click into it, and here in that detailed overview, guys, you will see this option, Add Step. So you can divide each task into several steps. Click into that plus button and describe the step. I don't know, for example, step 1. And click into Add here. And do the same with the next step if it's a process consisting of several steps of the task. And that's it. And you will see, for example, you will see that checkmark button to the left here. So if you click into it, you may mark the given step as complete for the given task. And that's basically it. So if I, for instance, click into, yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.